Okay, good morning everyone. So today we're going to form quadratic equations based on situations. Okay, we're going to make quadratic equations. So if you remember quadratic equations, these are equations in degree 2, right? Or in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So let me just write that over here. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we're going to make an equation in this form based on this situation. So situations are usually problems, okay, that involves quadratic equations. So our problem states that the volume of a cuboid is 120 centimeters cube. The cuboid has a height of 6 minus x centimeters, a width of x plus 3 centimeters, and length of 6 centimeters. Write a quadratic equation in one variable for the volume of the cuboid. So let's just remember first, what is the formula for the volume of a cuboid? Volume of cuboid is equal to length times width times height, right? So if you remember what is a cuboid looks like this. So a cube is a perfect 3D of a square. A cuboid is somewhat rectangular, okay, where we have the length, the width, and the height. So remember also that these can interchange. And we know the information that we have are the volume, which is 120 centimeters cube. So volume is 120 centimeters cube. Oh, sorry, my marker doesn't work. 120 centimeters cube. And the length, we have the information about its length. The length is 6 centimeters. And the width is here. Length, width, and height. The width is x plus 3 centimeters. And the height is 6 minus x centimeters. Wait, this one shouldn't have x, okay? Let me remove that. Sorry for that. So, yeah, this is now our equation. The volume of the cuboid, the length, the width, and the height. Now, we're just going to form the quadratic equation. So, 120 is equal to, you just multiply all of them. 6 times x is 6x plus 18 multiplied with 6 minus x. So 6x times 6, 36x squared. Sorry. 36x minus 6x squared plus, okay, 18 times 6. 6 times 18. 48, carry 4, 6 plus 4, 108, okay? 108. Next, 18 times negative x is negative 18x, okay? Continuing on, so we have 120 equals, let's have the highest exponent first in descending order, so negative 6x squared. Then 36x minus 18x is plus 18x plus 108. And now to make it in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, we have to rearrange them where the x squared is the first, and also it can be positive, so we move it to the left. So negative 6x squared becomes 6x squared, okay, minus 18x, okay, then minus 108, okay, plus 120 is equal to 0, having 6x squared minus 18x Negative 108 plus 120, that's gonna be 12 plus 12 is equal to 0. So this is now our quadratic equation in one variable. But if you're going to ask me, is that the final answer? Well, probably not yet, because we can still simplify it, right? 6, 18, and 12, they have something in common, okay? There's a number that you can factor or divide all these numbers by. So 6, right? So let's cancel out 6. So 6x squared divided by 6, okay? So it will become 6 becomes x squared, okay, minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. So now the volume of this cuboid is x squared minus 3x plus 2. Okay?